We're going to make some snow volcanoes. All you need is vinegar mixed with food coloring and baking soda and dish soap. Just make a mound of snow to make a volcano. Make sure your volcano is hollow inside. Pour the baking soda in the middle of your volcano. Now squirt some soap in the middle. Now pour your colored vinegar in the middle.
It disappeared.
Now we're going to do a different kind of volcano. Instead of vinegar and baking soda, we're using peroxide and yeast. We filled a soda bottle with peroxide, soap, and food coloring. Then we built a volcano around it. Now we're going to dump some yeast and water into it. Check out this reaction, it's cool. It's like whipped cream. It looks like whipped cream and chocolate milk, but don't eat it. It's not edible. You can play with it because it's only 3% peroxide. It feels like mush.
It feels like mush.
Oh, that looks weird. Hey, don't have gloves on. Ah! Feels warm. It's just snow warm. Now we're going to go inside, and I'm going to tell you about all of the different reactions. It's disgusting. We just did 2 types of snow volcanoes with 2 different reactions. Now I'm going to explain to you the difference. The first snow volcano had vinegar and baking soda. Now that reaction was endothermic reaction, which means the temperature lowers during the reaction. If you want to try it on your own, use baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, and soap. I'm going to pick my color and put it into the vinegar.
Good. Okay.
Now I'm going to take a squirt of soap to make bubbles when it reacts. Give it a swirl and stump it over your baking soda. That's a lot.
What's the temperature?
Cold. That's cool.
What do you think about this? It smells, because smell it, it's vinegar.
The baking soda is all washed. I have to wash my hands. I'm going to wash my hands. I will be back for the next one.
You get so grossed out. Oh, it is cold. Ooh.
The reason why this got cold, during the endothermic reaction, the chemicals use up all of the energy and it lowers temperatures. The next reaction will have the opposite reaction. What we have in our bottle is half a cup of peroxide. Now we're going to put a squirt of soap in there. I'm going to pick my colors. Green. Oh, it's all your.
All right, put your funnel back in.
Take 4 tablespoons of water and a whole packet of yeast. Let the yeast dissolve. When it's ready, dump your cup into the bottle. I swear it looks like chocolate milk.
Look how big it's getting.
Oh.
Look, it's overflowing.
Save! My table. We have to clean our table.
It's okay. Look, now it's streaky.
This is my favorite reaction. If you squeeze the bottle, more comes out. It feels really mushy and warm. It's like this. It's called exothermic reaction. With the exothermic reaction, energy is still left over. That's why it's warm. I hope you enjoyed my video. Have fun doing it on your own. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. Bye.